Dear students, welcome to Umul Qura Public School online classes. It's your English lecturer and I am your English teacher Anam. So our today's topic is Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening. It's a poem and it is for grade 5. We have already done reading of this poem and I already explained back exercise of this poem as well. Now we will do its first exercise, which is write meanings of the following. First of all, you're going to mention the chapter number, then the topic. After that will come exercise, which is write meanings of the following. Our first word is woods, and woods mean forest. Downy, downy means soft. Flake, small pieces. Harness, to control. Queer, strange. Shake, to move. Sweep, move swiftly and smoothly to brush or clean. Now we will move to the next exercise, which is exercise number 2. Write sentences of the following words. You will make sentences by yourselves. Number 1 word is wood. I have already explained the meaning of mostly these words: village, watch, snow, farmhouse, lake, sweep, wind, lovely, dark, sleep, terrible. You will make sentences of these words and you will share images with me, okay? Next one is the last exercise of the poem, which is write main idea or theme of the poem. What is main idea or theme of a poem? It basically tells us about what the poem has been written about. The main idea or theme of the poem Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost is the conflict between desire for rest or peace and the responsibility to continue life's journey. As you remember, I have already told you during the reading that a rider stopped near a forest or woods and he wants to take rest. Okay, but the main idea is that he is tired of the responsibilities. Now he wants to take rest. The poet feels attracted to the calm, quiet woods, symbol of rest or even escape, but he reminds himself that he has duties and promises, so he must keep going. We cannot stop until until we fulfill our duties. So life may offer moments of peace, but we must move forward and fulfill our responsibility. So, beta, this was our lecture for today. If you have any kind of question regarding the poem, you can ask me. Now, our second chapter is complete. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.